In this video of intelliSPEC, we will be going over forms. For this example, we're going to do a fireproofing inspection on a column. We will begin by selecting Hierarchy. From here, we are going to go into the alkylation unit. You will click through the facility tiers to find the correct item, in this case, the column. Once you have found your item, you can verify it by viewing the image. Next, we're going to click the blue clipboard to select a form. For this example, we will select Fireproofing Condition Assessment and create. Let's go ahead and take some thickness readings. In intelliSPEC, you can add photos and videos, whether from the in-app camera or from the iPad library. You can also add notes. For this example, it's a 2-hour fireproof rating. It is above average, so let's note that. The column is in great condition. Now, let's continue to fill out the form. Once the form is complete, you will see the bar at the top turn fully green, and Send to Web will automatically be activated. On the main page, the green bar on the left indicates that the form is complete, and the blue bar on the right means that it is ready to send to web. Now, let's hit the upload icon on the top right. You can either select forms individually, or you can hit the arrow button in the middle, which will send all forms into the upload queue. Now, let's upload. Upload is successful when the forms disappear and the bars at the bottom turn fully green. There, we have completed our fireproofing inspection form.